Monstera root bound, signs and how to fix it. Have you ever noticed that your Monstera is growing slowly, drying out too quickly, or looking unhealthy, even though you are taking good care of it? The problem may not be the light or watering. Your Monstera might be root bound. Root bound happens when the roots grow too large for the current pot and become crowded. While Monstera can tolerate being slightly root bound, a severely crowded root system can limit growth and make it harder for the plant to absorb water and nutrients. In this video, we'll explain what root bound means, the signs to look for, and how to fix a root bound Monstera step by step. Number 1. What does root bound mean? A Monstera becomes root bound when its roots fill most of the available space inside the pot. As the plant grows, the roots naturally spread out and search for water and nutrients. But when the container becomes too small, the roots may begin growing in circles around the pot, becoming tightly packed, filling all available space. At this point, the roots have less room to grow and the plant may start showing signs of stress. Number 2. Sign number 1. Roots growing out of the drainage holes. One of the easiest signs to notice is roots coming out of the bottom of the pot. When roots escape through drainage holes, it usually means they are searching for more space. This does not always mean your Monstera is in immediate danger, but it is a strong sign that you should check the root system. If the roots are tightly packed inside the pot, repotting may be needed. Number 3. Sign number 2. Soil dries out very quickly. Does your Monstera seem thirsty again only a few days after watering? A root-bound plant may dry out faster because there is less soil available to hold moisture. When roots take up most of the container, there is less soil around the roots. Water is absorbed more quickly. The plant may need more frequent watering. If this happens regularly, it may be time to inspect the roots. Number 4. Sign number 3. Slow growth or smaller leaves. Healthy Monstera plants usually produce new leaves when growing conditions are good. However, a severely root-bound Monstera may struggle to grow. You may notice slower new leaf production, smaller leaves, less vigorous growth. When roots cannot expand, the plant may have difficulty supporting new growth. Number 5. Sign number 4. Roots are circling around the pot. When you remove the Monstera from its container, you may see roots wrapped tightly around the outside of the root ball. This is a classic sign of root binding. Healthy roots should have space to spread naturally. A few circling roots are normal, but a root ball that is extremely dense and has very little visible soil may need attention. Number 6. Sign number 5. Water runs through too quickly. Another sign of a root-bound Monstera is when water passes through the pot very quickly. When roots occupy most of the container, there may not be enough soil to absorb and hold moisture. You may notice water immediately flowing from drainage holes, dry areas inside the soil, the plant becoming thirsty quickly. This means the root system may need more space. Number 7. How to fix a root-bound Monstera. The best solution for a severely root-bound Monstera is usually repotting. Follow these steps. Step 1. Choose a new pot. Select a pot that is slightly larger than the current one. Avoid choosing a pot that is much bigger because extra soil can stay wet for too long. A pot about 2 to 5 centimeters wider is usually a good increase. Step 2. Remove the plant carefully. Gently remove the Monstera from its old pot. Support the plant near the base and avoid pulling on the leaves or stems. If the roots are tightly packed, carefully loosen them with your fingers. Step 3. Check and loosen the roots. Inspect the roots. Healthy roots are usually firm, light-colored, strong. If roots are tightly circling, gently separate some of them. Remove only damaged or rotten roots. Avoid cutting healthy roots unnecessarily. Next, step 4. Repot with fresh soil. Place the Monstera into the new pot and fill around the roots with fresh, well-draining soil. Make sure the plant sits at the same depth as before. Do not bury the stem too deeply. Number 8. Can you fix root bound without repotting? If your Monstera is only slightly root bound, you may not need to repot immediately. Some growers allow Monstera to remain slightly root-bound because it can encourage stable growth. However, if the plant shows stress signs, repotting is usually the better solution. The goal is not to remove all roots from the pot. The goal is to provide enough space for healthy growth. Common mistakes. When fixing root-bound Monstera, avoid these mistakes. Moving to a much larger pot. A huge pot can create moisture problems, damaging Too many roots. Roots are important for recovery. Handle them gently. Repotting at the wrong time. A healthy plant usually adjusts better during the active growing season. Ignoring other problems. Yellow leaves or slow growth can have many causes. Always check other factors like light, water, and soil. Number 10, caring for Monstera after repotting. After fixing a root-bound Monstera, place it in bright, indirect light. Keep the soil slightly moist. Avoid heavy fertilizer immediately. Give the plant time to adjust. Some temporary stress is normal after repotting. With proper care, your Monstera will begin developing new roots and continue growing. Conclusion. A root-bound Monstera can slow growth and affect the health of your plant. The main signs include roots growing from drainage holes, soil drying too quickly, slow growth, tightly packed roots, water passing through too fast. The best solution is usually repotting into a slightly larger pot with fresh, well-draining soil. Remember, the goal is not the biggest pot. The goal is a healthy root system that allows your Monstera to grow naturally. Thank you for watching Plants Every Day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple indoor plant care tips. Be sure to explore our Monstera soil and pot care and Monstera plant care guide playlists for more easy guides on growing healthy indoor plants. See you in the next video. Happy growing!